said nothing.
That was weird.
Really? I don't even notice anymore.
I cannot believe you guys aren't going to play with these.
I told you, you don't. It's mint in box.
I don't know. I just think it's a waste. Relax. I'm just looking at the box.
Perhaps you should look with your eyes and not your muscular Nebraska man hands.
What is your problem?
My problem is that I don't want you to break Leonard's toy, which you probably did by shaking it. She shook it. We all saw her.
Leonard, I bought you this because I wanted you to have fun with it. I don't want it to sit in this box.
You know, you're right. I mean, it's from you. I'm never going to sell it. I'm opening it. It's broken.
What?
Oh, nice job, man hands.
I didn't break it. I guess Stuart sold it to me like this.
Yes. Yes, he did. That is a perfectly satisfying and plausible explanation. Let's all be mad at Stuart.
You know, I paid a lot for this. Let's take it over there and show him.
Absolutely.
Wait. It was me. I opened your toy, discovered it was broken, and didn't tell you.